Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, we're just featuring random good content, good reviews. This is the third year I've had this jacuzzi, and you know, when you open up the jacuzzi, you're always gonna have the water lines from the last year. Okay, this part I cleaned already. Okay, and it's faint, you know. Some sides are worse than the other, okay? But this is what it should look like. That's a clean spot. That's a dirty spot there, okay? So I already been cleaning for about 10 minutes now, the water line. And this is what I use here. Spa Clear Waterline Cleaner Non-Foaming Formula. Helps remove dirt, stains, grease, and grime from all spa and hot tub surfaces. By the way, this stuff smells horrible, so make sure you wear gloves. Spa Clear Waterline Cleaner has been formulated to remove dirt, stains, grease, and grime from all types of spa surface. A professional, easy clean package provides real cleaning power and cleans and keeps hands away from harsh chemicals. Use waterline cleaner on the hard to clean waterline area, tile, grout, cupping equipment, steps, and other spas and hot tub surfaces. Okay. So, this stuff is amazing. Again, this is the third year I'm using this stuff, and I'll probably have just a little bit left when I'm done. But let's do a quick demonstration of how good it works. So, here's our dirty rag from before. We'll just take a clean rag, fold it, literally just put a drop on there. If you want to do in a spray bottle, you could do that as well. But I usually just use a drop for every mark, okay? So we come over here. Now this is pretty disgusting. Okay, just gonna wipe this off. Just using a little bit of elbow grease. See that? Now for the next mark, I'm just gonna fold this over. Just put a little bit more. And that's pretty much what I do around the whole spa until it's completely removed that disgusting water line. Okay, looks good. And don't forget, you gotta get underneath here. See, all of these you gotta wipe down, and I'll do that off camera. But when you're opening up your spa, it's super important that all the dirt is out of this as much as possible. Like this here, you know, I'll clean all of this out. But I just wanted to show you really how strong this stuff is. You know, not much elbow grease at all. You just rub it away. Look at the difference there. See that? All right, everyone. Thanks again so much for watching this quick video. There's a few other products out there. I've tried another one, forgot the name of it. This seems to be stronger and better. All right, thank you again. If you liked the video, please subscribe and be on the lookout for more content. Take care. All right, we're all done. We cleaned the entire tub of this thing. There's a few minor spots that I might have to touch on a little bit later, but I'm pretty much done. Now, keep in mind, this spa came with the house when I bought it. So I believe from the model number, it's already 10 years old. So I'm not gonna be spending money, you know, fixing these things, okay? We're getting head pillows. With all that stuff, that's gonna be like $250, $350 just to get all that. But the most important thing is keeping it clean, maintaining it, and it'll last for a very long time probably. Because right now it's definitely 10 years old. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you like it, subscribe.